Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Victoria Beckham Posh lipsticks. On my eyes I've got the Victoria Beckham Lid Luster in the shade Mink, which is one of my favourite single eyeshadows, and I did do a recent video on that, so I will link it down below. I'm a bit poorly today, I'm not very well, so sorry if I sound a bit subdued and I look a bit sad, but my brain is just about working, so I'm just going to try and do it, guys, because you know, God loves a trier. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Victoria Beckham Beauty Posh lipsticks. They're all called Posh something. So there's Posh Pop, Posh Fringe, Posh Girl, Posh Spice, etc, etc. I got Posh Pose, which is a kind of mauvey shade. Seem to be liking mauves at the moment. I don't really know why, but I'm in a mauve state of mind. I'm very excited by this. It's the first lipstick from Victoria Beckham. It is £34 and it is $38 US. So this is the Victoria Beckham lipstick. This is the Posh lipstick. It is 2 grams and 0.07 ounces. Like everything else Victoria Beckham Beauty, it is clean. Came in this little big giant dust bag. I also got a giant box for a lipstick. A bit weird to me when brands are sustainable but then send things in huge packaging. Doesn't really add up, but I do appreciate the bag and I will definitely keep using it. Packed with nutrient rich natural oils and soft protective waxes, a single swipe of Posh hydrates and nourishes lips while imparting rich impactful colour with buttery shine. It's luxury performance, clean beauty, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, vegan, gluten-free and soy-free. So this is the packaging here. The packaging is really cute. I think having just tried the Byredo one, I don't feel like it's as nice and as luxe. It's quite hard to open if you've just creamed your hands, which I literally just did. This is a push click one. I see that she's used the tortoise shell vibe again, but I feel like it just looks a lot nicer on the Lid Luster lid than it does on this lipstick. It just doesn't look as luxurious and it is a bit disappointing actually. I'm going to show you guys a swatch of it. This is the shade Pose. Quite a nice colour on its own. I do think I like this one without lip liner more than I like the Byredo Earth Dust. If I was out and I didn't have a lip liner and I needed to reapply it, I feel like it's a nice colour and it kind of goes with my lips, my natural lips, quite nicely. So I do quite like that. Really like the angled shape of it. It does make it really easy to apply. I think I prefer it without a lip liner or maybe with less lip liner. So this is it with a lot less lip liner on. This is just lip liner around the edge and I think that gives it the best finish. It looks just a bit more fresh, a bit more natural. Doesn't really look good with a lot of lip liner underneath. This is the perfect medium for this lipstick. This is like one of those fresh kind of no makeup lipsticks where you don't necessarily need to have too much on your lips. So I do really like the fact that I can see my lips through it. I do really like the fresh feel of it as well. It's really comfortable to wear. It's very silky, very moisturizing, and it just feels lightweight, like I've got nothing on. So I do really like that about this lipstick. It's a lot more pared back, chill, and just easygoing. Apart from the packaging, I feel like this is a really nice product and I think it's a really easy to wear product. Is it worth £34? It depends. If you normally spend that amount on lipsticks and lip products, I would say yeah, but if you don't, I wouldn't say this is necessarily the one you should splurge on. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm sorry I'm a bit like If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.